Who is winning?
I'm winning so far. I have these many points.
ఈ బ్యాక్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఉండకూడదు. అన్ని రాంగ్ టెక్నిక్స్ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు చిక్కుకి. చిక్కు అమ్మమ్మ కొట్టేస్తుంది. గుడ్ జాబ్. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Thanks to so many amazing tips, especially on Instagram, the ID is here. People reached out to me, gave me a detailed walkthrough of how to get the vaccination slot booked. And it worked. But today we got a slot. I'm heading out to get jabbed. Till I got the vaccine, I was like, no, I need the vaccine. Once the slot is booked, I was like, getting vaccinated with COVID. Obviously, it's inactivated. There are different terminologies, all of which remind me of my times studying masters in biotechnology. Like, I studied all this stuff. In fact, if I still was in the biotech field or career, I would have probably worked in developing a vaccine. That would have been the ideal career. Like, who knew? Destiny is like that. I'm still talking about vaccines 10 years after I quit my biotechnology career. Strange times. I still don't know if biotechnology is part of BTech, Bachelor of Technology. Previously it was. Now not anymore, I guess. You should tell me. Anyway, before I get jabbed, I thought I'll just quickly catch up with these guys for a short coffee and then head out. Tomorrow and after I have to completely take rest. Hopefully there are no side effects. Side effects are also good, by the way. It says that the vaccine's working. I'll do a dedicated video later from the tips that I got on Instagram, how to get yourself a COVID slot. You have to download few extensions to the browsers, and there are things which do most of the stuff automatically. While I'm booking for my wife or something, I'll do a live demo and maybe you can see and learn from that. Lucky thing for me was there were 800 slots which opened up, so for a few seconds I had a better chance. So you should also try it out. But I don't know, the more people know about it, the chances would also come down because it's a program. Whenever I'm driving the Nexon EV, I'm driving in sports mode because I realized that's the most effective way to drive some of the EVs, because you have a lot more bandwidth where there's a lot more regeneration and also a lot more efficiency available. Because if you're driving at 40-50 average in eco mode, which has a limited amount of power, then the efficiency would also, you would consume a lot more of that bandwidth. Whereas in the sports mode, you have a lot more bandwidth, lot more power available, and the efficiency is much better. In sports mode, where I got similar efficiency as in eco mode. So a lot of changes to the driving style. And also another thing that I observed is the standby battery capacity of Nexon EV is amazing. Ather got drained from 100 to 20% within a matter of 7 days, whereas this less than 10%, which is what we need. So Ather needs to do some tweak or changes in their BMS, battery management systems or software. Much needed. Yeah, this standby time is going to be a big thing for EVs going forward. That's something to watch out. Also, we're just 200 kilometers away from hitting that 10,000 kilometer milestone. Thanks to lockdown, it got delayed, but it's been almost close to 1 year since I got the Nexon EV. So hoping to finish that 200 soon so that I can do an ownership review. I'll start shooting sometime soon, and we'll have the video sometime in June probably. That's the plan. Hi, camera.
Camera.
ఈ మైక్ వర్త్ ఇట్?
I mean, it captures the bass in the voice.
వాయిస్ లో చాలా బేస్ ఉంది.
అట్లా మాట్లాడితే తెలిసిపోతుంది.
నిన్నే కలిసాం.
కరెక్ట్.
అరే ఎట్లుంది చెప్ప గ్లాసెస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
ఏదో సూపర్ మ్యాన్
3D సినిమాలో గ్లాసెస్ పెట్టుకోవాలి.
అరే సిగ్గులేనారా? కార్ పార్క్ కష్టమైతుంటే నవ్వుకుంటారు.
వెల్కమ్ చైతన్య.
వాట్సాప్ బడి.
ఏందా అంత తగ్గినావు?
తగ్గినానా?
మస్తు తగ్గినావు. అయితే ఫేస్ చూపి ఒకసారి. ఎర్ర పండులాగా ఉన్నావు.
తినేరా అయితే
నిన్ను నీ లైఫ్ లో ఏం జరుగుతున్నాయి?
నా లైఫ్ లోనా పని లేదు.
వద్దురా, మావాడి ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజ్ చూడండి, చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్.
ఫాలో అయితే పర్మి.
Just finished catching up with the guys for a short while. Now heading to my vaccination center. So the one center I was lucky to get in was in LB Nagar. Kukatpalli to LB Nagar is a long way, but have to do. It's almost 2 o'clock and hence the traffic. But hoping it gets better once I get the vaccine shot, because I have to go, probably there will be a wait, and once that wait is done, you'll get the vaccine shot. After that you have to wait 15-20 minutes. That's when I can start back. Hoping it will be all smooth and there is less crowd. Let's see.
A few moments later.
Got vaccinated half an hour back. Feeling good. They made me wait for 5 minutes, and since I was feeling normal they sent me. But on my way back I've had probably like 5 or 6 police checkposts. All of them were smooth. I just had to show the confirmation of vaccination. Most of the checkposts were a smooth sail. They're still apprehending people who are not out for a valid reason. So be careful, guys. There are a lot of checkposts after 2 o'clock. We'll head back home, take some rest, upload this video. I have to wait till tomorrow and after to see if I feel any symptoms. Aditya got Covaxin too, and he says you will just have some shoulder pain. That's my left shoulder. Get yourself jabbed, and once I reach home, I'll show you the process to book a slot too. It's been almost 18 hours since I got the vaccine. Feel no symptoms. Slight soreness in the arm. I can't sleep on the left side. Whenever I sleep it hurts slightly, but otherwise for movement and all it's fine. So feeling good so far. This is how my vaccine booking happened. So there's an extension called Cowin Booking for Chrome, both for PC and Mac. Download that. Fill the following details in this order. First you need to provide your mobile number, then the PIN code. Use only 4 digits for the PIN code. Then name of the state, district name. Enter your time slot preference if you have any. If the preferred time slot is not available, it will book the first one or the one that's available. And then you have to search by PIN code, because searching by district will give you a lot more results, and it has to search quite a bit. Also the refresh interval is very key. When I got lucky, I kept it at 200 seconds. So I wanted to manually do it. But if you keep it 1 second, you have to make sure you know when the vaccine slots are being opened by the hospital. Otherwise, what Cowin platform does it locks you out. So you have to do the entire process from giving your number, logging in with an OTP and all that process. So have a bigger interval, maybe 10 seconds, 15. They recommend 15 seconds, that's fine. Coming to filters, select all those that are applicable to you. For me, except age 45, rest all were applicable. And once you save the changes, you just enter the mobile number and then the OTP, and when you start schedule, that's when the program runs. Till such time you'll have 15 minutes to log out and log in again. That 15 minute is not connected to the program. Once you log in with an OTP, you have 15 minutes to use it, and once you schedule, the program runs. So it's kind of technical, but you got to do this jugaad if you want to get vaccinated. That's how it works. I got lucky, but my wife didn't seem to, so still searching for slots for her. Hopefully we get it. My sister and wife are pending to get vaccinated. Once they're done, my family is technically safe. Let's hope we get it soon. So before you get excited and download this bot to book the vaccine slots, do some homework or research on when each hospital in your PIN code is releasing vaccines. You have to probably check last 3-4 days data and then go by it. I found a specific time when a certain hospital was releasing for the last 3-4 days, and just few seconds before that time, or a minute or so, I started the program, and that's how I got lucky. For my wife today, I got lucky till the schedule page, but then the center was already booked by then. So the luck varies, but something to try, right? Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night and see you in the next one. Bye bye.